here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change viewfinder size, you can set small or large, you can select video resolution, and you can set up record time limit. Also, you can set up file size limit and record touch points. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap start, and after the countdown, recording starts. So here you can also change some of its settings. For example, you can change sound source, you can enable microphone, system sounds, mic and system sounds. You can enable like front camera, viewfinder. You can draw something on the screen, like you make some notes, I don't know, maybe like write something, I don't know, anything you want. So you can pause recording by tapping here. Then you can play it once again. And to stop recording like at all, tap on the red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen record section. And here it is. Microphone, system sounds, mic and system sounds. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.